Welcome back, champions. I wanted to make a really quick video talking about soft top convertibles. When you're dealing with modern soft tops, they are very resilient and usually they stand up very well to any type of weather. The results of my work speak for themselves. Even with using basic, simple equipment and products, you can get professional level results. You don't really need to be worried about using the wrong brush or wrong microfiber. As long as it's medium or soft bristle, it's probably good enough. You don't need specialty items or any sort of detailing specific thing. This Fiat 124 Spider is being cleaned with a very soft bristle toothbrush and Optimum No Rinse in a spray bottle. There are some times where I'm dealing with stains that I'll use Woolite laundry detergent mixed with warm water in a spray bottle. That's literally it. Do not make it more complicated for yourself. Usually you can use a garden hose or a very light pressure washing to rinse it off. Always make sure you're inspecting for damage, wear, and tear, but for the most part, soft top convertibles made after 2010 are going to be extremely easy to care for. You don't need to worry too much about them. As you can see here, I'm finishing off by drying it down with a separate clean microfiber. And that is all we have to do. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. This is Champion Auto Spa.